Thalassery style biryani today. Don't waste time, let's move on to the video. Josh Moses Kitchen. This recipe we can serve 6 guests. Finely sliced onions 4. Onto hot oil, fry the onions until golden in color. Drain all the oil and keep it aside. Onto the same oil, 25 grams of raisins. Fry until golden, and 50 grams of cashew nuts. Fry till golden and set it aside. Onto a urli or bottom thick pan, add half cup of vegetable oil, 2 sliced onions. Saute for 2 to 3 minutes. By the time, garlic 1, ginger a medium piece, 8 pieces of green chili, and crush it. Crush into fine like this. The onions are just soft now. We can add the crushed ginger, garlic, green chili. Saute for 3 to 4 minutes. Add half teaspoon of turmeric, 3 teaspoon of garam masala. The garam masala recipe is there in my channel. And saute for 3 to 4 minutes until the spices are cooked. Chicken 100 and 400 grams cut into 12 pieces. High heat, add the chicken and cook for 6 to 8 minutes. Add 3 teaspoons of salt. Chopped tomatoes 2 each. Combine well, cook for 3 minutes. 2 tablespoons of yogurt. Freshly squeezed lemon juice half. Combine well. When it starts boiling, cover it and cook for 10 minutes. Remove the cover, don't put it back again, let it get dried up. Give a quick mix in between, a thick gravy and a juicy chicken. Onto a low heat, add chopped cilantro, chopped mint leaves and 2 tablespoons of ghee and combine well. Just half only onions we fried, crush it fine and add to the chicken. Give a quick mix, turn it off and set it aside. Onto a bowl, 1/4 cup of milk, turmeric 1 teaspoon, rose water 2 tablespoons. Combine well and set it aside. Onto a pan, dalda 3 tablespoons, ghee 2 tablespoons, cinnamon stick 2 pieces, cardamom pods 5, cloves 6 pieces, bay leaf 4 each. Cook for a minute. Sliced onions half. Saute for 2 minutes. Add 4.5 cup of water. Cover it and bring to boil. We are using 3 cups of kaima rice. Wash well until the water is clear. Drain all the water. The water is starting to boil. Add the rice. Salt 3 teaspoons. Give a quick mix. Cover it on a high heat. Bring to boil. Onto a very low flame, cook for 25 minutes. You will get a fluffy rice like this. Fluff the rice from the edges. Now for dumming. on top of the chicken. Add half rice. Sprinkle some fried onions, cilantro, mint leaves, cashew nuts, raisins, and the liquid mix we made, and pinch of garam masala. Add the second layer onto your top. Fried onions, raisins, cashew nuts, mint leaf, cilantro, and the liquid mix, and garam masala. All on the top. Cover it on a medium heat. Dum for 15 to 20 minutes. Open it. Fluff from the side. You get a beautiful aromatic biryani. The Thalassery style biryani. The fragrance are wow. It's so good. Flavors are absolutely wonderful. Chicken very soft. So it's hot but so juicy. Just melts at your mouth. Wow. A beautiful biryani you must try. And how you eat? My way. Josh Moses Kitchen way. Enjoy and eat. In between, have some kachamba or raita or a pickle to clear your taste buds. The recipe is there in my channel. Okay, bye.